welcome to All About. Today we're gonna talk about RV09. Beautiful pink. Yeah. Even my face changes when I'm gonna talk about pinks or I'm gonna talk about an ew color. There are some ew colors. But if I'm talking about pinks, I love these colors. So we are doing RV09, RV06, and RV02. We are underpainting with a blue-green. And the bonus combination, this is one of those that the family combination does not blend as I would like it. Like if I want something that is really, really blended, RV09, 06, 02 is not gonna give it to me. So I decided to go RV09, 6, and then RV55. That gives us a smooth, beautiful blend. And only one pencil for the Prismacolor match. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic markers, refills, nibs, and Prismacolor pencils. Thank you. We are starting with RV09, and we are flicking away from the edge. On top of it is going to be RV06, which kind of blends, maybe with more effort it might blend. And then RV02, this one is not blending. That you can try and try and try. I don't think it's gonna go. And I don't want to say something wrong, but I don't think we have an RV04, do we? So my assistant has corrected me, and we do have RV04. So that's why it's not blending, because I didn't choose the correct markers. Anyway, underpainting is done with BG01. And then on top of it, I use RV09, RV06, and RV02, which should have been RV04. The bonus combination, we are using BG01, and then on top of it, RV09, as soon as I find it. Very deep, very strong color. I don't use it very often. I'm more of a RV34, 32 kind of girl, kind of pink, but I love it. This is RV06, and then on top of it, RV55. Very strange, but the Prismacolor pencil match is a red. It's PC994 process red. It has always been. I always seen it as a pink. Why the name? I have no idea. But it is a light. It's not light. The value is a high value of pink. But if you go very, very lightly, it will give you a soft pink. In here, I needed a strong one. So now we're going to go with the fake natural family combination. I don't know what happened. I want to blame my dog. So this is RV09. The next one is going to be RV06. And we're going to finish it with RV02. I guess in good news, if you wanted to make it very stripy and you like this look of not blending, this will be your marker. You would use RV02. We're going to underpaint the bottom wing. This is BG01. On top of it, RV09, RV06, and RV02. I am preparing a video with a few tips of what to do, what not to do, and how I choose the markers to underpaint. because by the time we finish, I mean, you probably have a lot of markers that you want to know what to underpaint with. And I will give you the process that I do every single time that I'm going to be choosing an underpainting marker. So if you have any questions, please put them in the description box and I will start writing them down. So whenever I do the video, which is going to be in about a week or so, maybe we'll have it ready for Christmas. So I can just answer your questions. Now we're doing the bonus combination wing with no underpainting, which is RV09, RV06, and RV55. This one blends beautifully because, I paid attention. I knew what I was doing. RV55, beautiful, muted pink. And this is BG01. BG01 under RV09 gives you like a purple color underneath. I'm actually working on a video like that too. What colors can we get when we mix the markers, when we blend it one on top of the other, but not to get one solid color, but to get different kind of shades. Anyway, so that's what BG01 does under RV09. It looks a little bit purple. This is all about RV09, the natural the natural family combination, which is incorrect, is RV09, RV06, and RV02. It should be RV04. Underpainting is done with BG01, and the bonus combination is RV09, RV06, and RV55. If you want to learn more about the red, violet colors, click on the link that I'm going to post right here so you can check out more of this family. Bye.